Hey guys, what's up? ChristianIsTech. Let's talk about TORRAS Slim Fit case for the iPhone X and XS. So basically when I was searching for a new phone case, I was trying to find a case that was sleek, simple, yet really nice, high quality, and from the reviews, I decided to buy the TORRAS Slim iPhone case. Now they claim and they say like, oh, this is the best quality iPhone case, yet the sleek and the most modern, blah 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 blah. And let me tell you, from my experience, it is. Now this case is very simplistic, yet very elegant. The case has a very smooth back, which makes it feel very high quality. This case can get very slippery, but if you put a pop socket, that can solve it. It's not too slippery where it's like, oh my god, it's a hazard, but it can get slippery at times. A thing to notice here is that this case, if you drop your phone, I wouldn't feel 100% confident that it will protect my phone 100%. So that is one thing to note. This case is not a case for someone that is clumsy and drops their phone a lot. However, this case is for someone that is looking for something that is almost not there, something that is nice and sleek and wants that feeling of not having a case yet protecting it from scratches. This is exactly what this case does. So as I mentioned, some of the pros is that it's matte black, the buttons are easily accessible. The other thing is that it's fingerprint resistant. Now I myself have sweaty hands and oily hands as well. I mean, we all kind of do. And the thing that I noticed and that I really liked about this case was that it does a really good job. Now it's not 100%, but it's like, I want to say about 90% fingerprint resistant, which is really good. So the only complaint, if I would have one, would be the odd way this case ends here at the edges and the bottom. They're cut in each side. I'm not sure if the design is purposely made like this. As you can see on these top edges, it does cover it completely. However, in the bottom, it's cut. Not too sure if that's for production purposes or what's up with that. Other than that, I don't really have complaints. I really do enjoy this case. It has become one of my favorite cases. And the thing is, for $10, it's a really freaking good case. I thought when I purchased it, 10 bucks, I'm probably gonna get some cheap plastic case. Don't get me wrong, it's not that it's not that, I mean, because it is plastic and it's relatively cheap, but it's cheap, but it's not cheap where it's like, wow, it probably costs like a penny to make or two, you know? Like there is, the quality is there. If you guys want to pick one up, I'll leave the link down below. I got it on Amazon. That's usually where I think you can buy them, or at their website. If you guys have any questions, feel free to drop them down below in the comment section down below. I'll try and answer them there. And if you guys aren't feeling selfish today and super nice, go ahead and leave a thumbs up and go ahead and subscribe down there. It's free. I'll post more videos about cases and other stuff that it's tech related. Other than that, guys, I hope you guys have a good day. I hope you guys pull the trigger and get one of these, because trust me, you will regret it. And I know it seems kind of like it's an ad, but it's not. Like, I purchased this with my own money after doing a couple of research, you know? So I recommend it, plain and simple. Thank you guys for watching. Take care. Peace. Where's the phone? Definitely need the phone to film the video, right? Come on, man. Come on, man. If you're a company and you have chairs, hit me up. I need a chair. This is a really squeaky one.